Hello guys, this is Ali Asif and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm on Palm Jumeirah, man-made island. So I'm enjoying my view. As you can see on my left hand side, MR Beachfront, and on my right hand side, Dubai Marina. So today we will be talking about how to calculate ROI, return on investment. So let's go office and have a talk. As I told you, today we will be talking about ROI, return on investment. Because when you buy property for investment purpose, so it's come in your mind how much is ROI and how to calculate ROI. So why I'm making this video, there is one purpose, because I got one investor and he asked me for one property. So I told him ROI will be around 6 to 7%. So he said, no, I'm getting property 8 to 10%. So I said, no, it's not possible. For current situation, according to market, like 5 to 6% or 6.5% is good ROI. So he said me explain. So I explained him. So now I will explain you so you can also have idea how to calculate ROI when you are buying property for investment purpose. So let's say you bought property in 1 million dirham and your rent is 80,000 dirham. So it means you have 8% ROI, which is 8% return on your investment, but this ROI is not net ROI, gross ROI. So what is the difference between net ROI and gross ROI? So when you will buy property in 1 million dirham, so you have to pay some extra cost, which I'll explain you now. 4% DLD fees, 2% broker fees if it's secondary, and then you have to pay title deed, trustee office fees, which will be around 6 to 7%. So now your property will cost you 1,070,000. So your rent was 80,000, property cost 1,070,000. Now one main important thing, which is service charges. Even it's villa, apartment, whatever, in Dubai you have to pay service charges to keep maintain your building facilities or your community facilities. So just say on this property you have 15,000 service charges. So now how we will calculate ROI? 1,070,000 your property worth, your rent is 80,000 and your service charges is 15,000. So from 80,000 we will deduct this 15,000, so rest will be 65,000, which is your net ROI, your net rent, which is going directly to your pocket. So now if you will go back on your property value, it's 1,070,000 and your rental value is 65,000. So now you can calculate easily, it's 6%, which is very good according to this market, according to market scenario. 6%, 5-6% I consider is good ROI. So because what is the benefit, especially in Dubai when you buy property, what is the benefits here? The main thing, as I told you in starting in my many videos, I told you, you don't need to pay tax on your rental income here. So as you say, UK you have to pay around 20%, USA you have to pay around 22%, in 0% tax in Dubai. So this ROI, net ROI 6% is going to your pocket, which is very best, very best. If somebody is saying you are getting 8-10% ROI, nowadays it's tough in Dubai, and all over the world you are not getting. Dubai is giving you more ROI because you don't have to pay tax. So 5-6% ROI, which is very handsome and very good ROI and very reasonable ROI. Yeah, today you bought property 1 million dirham, 80,000 rent, service charges 15,000 and all the costs, so it costs you like 1,070,000 and your rental income is 65,000. 6% today. Maybe after 5 years, when situation will be changed, then your property value will be you can say 1.5 million and your rental income will be more. Okay, so that time you will get capital appreciation on your investment, and that time you will get, because you bought in 1,070,000 with all expenses, So that time you can say if property is going 110, 120,000, so then your ROI will be 8-10%. But it's in that scenario, you bought property today 2021, if you buy a property in 1 million, so it can be possible to 2025, 2026, this property will be 1.2 million, 1.3 million. So you can get appreciation and you can get ROI, because as I told you, your value of property is 1,070,000. So if you're getting 115,000, then ROI can be more. But current situation for now, 5 to 6% ROI is amazing ROI. It's good ROI. So there is no 8%, no 10%, because you have to calculate all things, which I think that time when you will buy a property, nobody will explain you more. So that's why, because it's my personal experience which happened today. So that's why I'm sharing with you that this is the main purpose where I'm making video. So if you have any kind of inquiry for Dubai, if you want to invest in Dubai, or you want good ROI, like you can say studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or townhouses with reasonable ROI, so I can help you, I can assist you. My numbers, my email in description, under description, so you can call me anytime. If you have any inquiry, or if you want to buy a property for investment purpose, or if you want to live by yourself, so my details you can find in description. And I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. See you soon.